Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best graphics card holder on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Cooler Master graphics card holder, showing why it's a must-have for PC builders and gamers. Let's get started. Product features. Prevents GPU sag. The Cooler Master graphics card holder secures your GPU at weight-critical points, preventing sag and protecting both the graphics card and motherboard connection over time. Durable tempered glass design. Crafted from CNC machined tempered glass, this holder is strong enough to support even the heaviest GPUs while maintaining a sleek, modern look. Stunning edge-lit ARGB lighting. Features 4-pin ARGB lighting for dynamic visual effects that enhance your PC build. Lights can be turned off for a clean, minimal setup. Easy installation and adjustment. Setup is simple with an adjustable support arm. You can position the bracket at the tail end or alongside your GPU depending on your case layout. Dual support pieces for versatility. 2 support pieces allow multiple orientation options, giving flexibility for different case sizes and personal aesthetics. Protects hardware investment. By supporting your GPU, it reduces stress on connectors and prevents long-term damage, ensuring your expensive graphics card lasts longer. Sleek aesthetic upgrade. Not only functional, but also adds a premium high-tech look to your gaming rig. ARGB lighting syncs beautifully with modern setups. Enhances system stability. Provides solid structural support for your graphics card, giving peace of mind during transport, heavy gaming sessions, or system upgrades. Pros. Prevents GPU sag and bending. Durable CNC machined tempered glass. ARGB edge-lit lighting for style. Easy to install and adjust. Universal GPU and case compatibility. Cons. ARGB lighting may not sync with all motherboards. Requires a compatible case layout for optimal positioning. Final thoughts. The Cooler Master graphics card holder is an essential upgrade for any PC builder. It prevents sag, protects your investment, and adds a stylish flair to your setup. A must-have for gamers, enthusiasts, or anyone upgrading their rig. Keep your GPU safe and stylish. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more top PC accessories and tech content.